50. Oh, shit. Ouch. Done.
Amazing.
So it is Monday, November 4th, and this is a big week. I mean, obviously we've got election day tomorrow. I waited to vote, so I'll be going to vote first thing in the morning. And then we are 1 week away from the Lone Star Dumpster Showcase. It is going to be a crazy busy week to try and get everything put together. And all the last minute odds and ends. I don't even know what I'm going to be doing this weekend. But I do know that come Sunday, we'll probably be doing like a pre-party or pre-event get-together. So I'll probably post it in the group for everybody that's coming in early on Sunday. Monday night, we'll probably do it also an after-party or after-event somewhere after the show. And then Tuesday I do have dinner, and then we'll see what goes on. But lots of things going on next week. I'm excited this week and next week. Hopefully everything goes good with the elections. We don't have, any crazy surprises or any kind of civil outbreaks or any issues. So we'll see. But it's still slow. We've got some rain, some really bad storms coming in this week, hopefully. And I don't mind. Let it rain all this week it can, so that next week we'll have nothing but clear skies and sunny days. So hoping for that. And then there's also, I heard there's like a hurricane brewing in the Gulf. So we'll see. I mean, we won't get affected for the most part. By the time it reaches all the way up here, it's usually just very light tropical rain, if anything. Down by the Gulf, those guys, Houston, we'll see. I don't know. It could turn all different kinds of ways. But it's going to be a crazy week. So stay with us, stay tuned, and make sure you like and subscribe, guys, because I've been looking at some of the analytics, and so many people watch the videos, and I'd say about 20% of them are actually subscribed. So hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. It really helps out the channel and helps me bring you out a lot more content in the future. So let's go pick up this 40 yard in Kemp. What a bumpy road. Holy moly. I don't think I delivered this one. So I was watching a video the other day. I don't remember whose it was, but they were talking about they couldn't even take like burnt material to their landfill. Oh, you got he's right up on you. Look at the cameraman, the horse whisperer. But they were just talking about they couldn't even take like burnt ash or burnt wood to their landfill. Wow. This is what you call job security. They got at least a few more 40 yards here. Man. Why don't they just pile it up and... Dude, if I have my phone on me... Hold on, let me grab my phone. All right, let's get to work. I know a lot of guys that tell me all the time that their landfills only take, class 1, or they only take construction debris, and other landfills take. I know it's like that in Florida. Other landfills only take the food and trash, normal trash. Luckily, we're able to dump just about anything at our landfills. Also, let's talk about 30s and 40s real quick. I am not ordering any more 40s anytime soon. I'd much rather have a lot more 30s and offer 30s to the commercial contractors and all that stuff. Having some 40s is nice for the people that will not take 30s whatsoever, but 40s are just way too top heavy. You've seen we've had several issues. One with me dumping a 40 and one with Daniel dumping a 40. And it's just, they get overloaded, way too heavy. Just way too much can go wrong with a 40 yard. So I will not be ordering any more 40s anytime soon. I'm fine with the 5 that I have, and just stick with 30s for the most part, and be really selective on who gets the 40 yards. What a cutie. And I wasn't talking about you, I was talking about the horse.
Boy, whatever. You know I'm a cutie.
All right, here they require safety vests and hard hats, so we gotta look super cool out here. 2 points of contact at all times.
Bro said 2 points of contact. That's crazy. He must have not been listening to Daniel Vega.
You always want to have 3 points of contact. 1 foot, 1.
Should have been wearing his hard hat when I was putting the mailbox on. Oh, shit. Yo. Yeah, I can see it's a lot of dirt. That's why it was probably so heavy. Yeah, burn down houses, burn down sheds, burn down, you know, it just creates a lot of ash and makes it pretty heavy. So 14,000 pounds on the dot, I believe is where we were at, right? It was exactly, no, it's not it. There we go. It's exactly 14,000 pounds. 7.0 tons. Not too bad. I mean, it felt a little heavy, but so that's, you know, anything is covered, you know, to a 16-foot with 18-foot overhang. Yeah, I don't honestly, I've never really had, unless I know for sure that you have plenty of room to get in and get out. This car just slipped over. Hold on a minute. Oh, this car just slipped upside down. There's not one ambulance here. Bro, it just started raining like maybe 20 minutes ago, and wow, and no one's there to helping them. Well, they're not. They don't look like they're in a rush to help anybody. There's some people standing outside, so they seem pretty good. Absolutely think there's a lot more time. They sprayed the back of the dumpster. That's not bad. Couple black spots. All right. platform itself. Feel like crashing in the back of a Tesla. They're road raging. They're road raging. Okay, so it pulls in the Google image, a large image right there on the. We've got some bigger apartment complexes here. Again, probably more for the company. I think to be. We're just gonna drop this one off in the back here because it needs to be pressure washed. The inside's kind of nasty. These customers put something in it. I have no idea what they put in it. It's like glue or paint or something. See some waters, some snacks, some Fat Boys. Put them in the freezer. That's bad. Ooh, small pack. Yeah, okay. Basically just extend this, put a conference room to about here. Right? A nice conference room with a door heading out this way, and then probably a private office over here. Pretty nice.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby.
Not too shabby. Where are you going?
We're going home.
So yeah, you can't leave right now. So come on, Daniel, you're over here too. We all saying bye.
Why are we
It's on.
It's on. So we got a storm of brewing. It's called the Lone Star Dumpster Showcase. Daniel, you gonna be at the show?
Yes, sir.
Oh man, Alexa, you gonna be at the show? Dave, you gonna be at the show?
You need to flip the camera around.
David, you gonna be at the show?
He's trying. There he goes. That's awesome. So, again, guys, 1 day away from voting. By the time you see this, actually, it's probably gonna be voting day is gonna be over. So, did you vote?
Tomorrow.
Can you vote?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you vote?
Yeah.
Can you vote?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Did you?
No, not yet. No, I wait the day of. I like doing it. I don't like doing. Yeah, well, you know, it's the day of.
Yeah.
That's how I've always done it.
Did you
Well,
vote?
see, I gotta go to Dallas County.
Oh, you got to
But
go
my
downtown?
license is Dallas still.
So, but you can go anywhere in Dallas County,
Anywhere
right?
in
You can
Dallas,
sneak
yeah.
in right there in like Glen Heights or something, right?
Real quick.
DeSoto?
Yeah.
So I'll be voting first thing in the morning, do our civic duty, and be done. Hopefully we don't have any problems after tomorrow. And then you can get the sticker. Can't get the sticker without voting. So I can put it upside down this time.
David, you voted?
I'll put the picture of her holding it upside down.
No. I sent him a picture of me holding it. It was upside down.
Yeah, I know the thumbnail, and it was upside down.
I didn't notice.
Voter in distress. Anyways, we'll see you guys at the show. Make sure you guys like, subscribe,
Y'all know.
smash that notification
Enjoy
bell.
the rest of y'all's week. Hopefully, I can ride with me on Friday and have some fun.
What are you trying to say? They don't have no fun with me?
Oh, you're all business,
I am all business.
so
I
we
mean,
it gotta have some kind of fun. What?
you're the fun one?
Yeah.
Do you? Just having fun laughing at me getting my head hit twice. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one.